Ever wanted to smash something using air pressure? Welcome to DIY Pneumatic Lab, where I take pneumatic, some electrical stuff, and my questionable DIY skills, and see what happens. Okay, what's the deal? I mess with pneumatics and what I can find around to show you how thing works, and try to build some cool project along the way. I'm not some master engineer or handyman, I just like experimenting. So you will see the good, the bad, and probably some stuff will break. The goal? Take ideas and make them real. And what will be the first project? It will be pneumatic can smasher. We are starting basic, a simple system to see if we can crush a can using air power. And then we will upgrade it into fully automated can destroyer. Here's a simple scheme. Compressor, this is where we get our air. FRL, filter, regulator, and most likely no lubricator, keeps the air clean and dry. 5-2 mechanical valve, a fancy way of saying push button. Air goes one way, air goes other way. Double acting cylinder, the muscle. Air pushes it out, air pulls it back. So stage 1 is manual. Push the lever, crash the can, release, reset. Simple. Once that works, we will think how to automate that. So what's the plan? If you are into DIY, pneumatics and automation, consider sticking around. I will be figuring this out as I go, and maybe it will be even fun. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video where we actually build this thing. And hey, if you have some ideas, drop the comment. Who knows, your suggestion might be the thing that I need.